Hey guys, so tonight we're going to be making a delicious from scratch gluten-free spelt pizza, and it's really easy, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's go! Okay, so to start off with, to make the base, you just need a few simple ingredients. So we have white spelt flour and wholemeal spelt flour, apple cider vinegar, Himalayan salt, and olive oil. So we're going to start with about 1.5 cups of wholemeal, about 1 cup of plain white spelt flour, and the secret ingredient is semolina. You're going to add a few good grains of Himalayan salt, a pinch of bicarb or baking soda, about 1/2 cup of olive oil, and about 1/4 cup of unfiltered organic apple cider vinegar, which has enzymes in it which will help the dough to rise. So we're just going to mix this around a little bit. Okay, and to this you're going to add hot water, just a little bit at a time, using the spoon to kind of work the water in, and just letting the flour absorb the water. You're only going to add a little bit at a time because we don't want it to be too wet. It needs to become like a doughy ball. So just dip it around the edge. Okay, so once most of the flour is off the side of the bowl, you can get your hands and just start working the last bits of flour into the dough. And just pressing on it to get some air bubbles in there, because when it cooks, that's going to be nice and create some texture. And just sprinkle a little bit in, just a bit, and work that through, kind of fold that through a little bit. The semolina kind of adds a bit of texture. It also creates a nice kind of crunchy base. So now we've got this nice ball. We're going to put a little bit more semolina on the tray, and we're using this instead of flour to create that texture. So put that down and work the dough a bit. So when we put it on the tray, we can kind of fix it up. So, and a bit more semolina on a tray. Now it only has to be the size that you want. So then just a little bit more olive oil. And if you've got a brush, you can brush it on, or you can just kind of rub it on. So in a fan-forced oven, you set it to 160 degrees Celsius, and this is to cook the dough. And just because I feel like it, I'm going to add a bit of rosemary and smash it up to bring out the flavour. sprinkling it over. Tiny bit more salt. Make sure you're using pink Himalayan salt, which is full of, it's still got the minerals and the trace elements, so it's actually really good for the tissues in your body. And we're just going to put this in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so while that's cooking, we're going to get the ingredients for the topping. And I think Chris is going to take care of that. I've got my handsome assistant cutting the capsicum. Just sharpen the knife, so I thought I'd let him put himself in the line of fire.
Gotta love a sharp knife. Nothing better than a sharp knife.
Okay.
I do a little sharp enough. I need a sharp knife again.
Slicing up some cherry tomatoes. It's a bit of a tip if you're cooking a vegetarian or a meat pizza. A vegetarian pizza, you need to cook the dough slightly longer because you tend to want to cook the vegetables a little bit less. So any vegetables that are harder, you can saute them while the dough is actually cooking. Okay, so after about 5 to 10 minutes, just going to take that out. Homemade tomato sauce there, just applied like so. Put some of this basil pesto. This is homemade basil pesto too. So this has got a mixture of basil and nuts and parmesan. So it's pause.
I'm very hungry.
Put them in a pan with some olive oil, a little bit of butter, and some worcestershire sauce. Okay, so the mushrooms are looking almost ready. Tomatoes are good.
Okay, Jenny disagrees. Cherry tomatoes are great. So
Cherry tomatoes are much better for pizza.
oh, okay, cherry tomatoes are much better for pizza.
This is actually ideal.
I prefer the big ones.
Sprinkling some more rosemary
And some mushrooms.
and mushrooms. Okay, so this is the goat's cheese, as you like.
Breath is gonna smell really good.
Okay. Then more shallots.
Sprinkle it around. Fresh basil.
Just gonna add some fresh basil and coriander, all smooshed together. And then a little bit more olive oil on the top. And because we like it hot, a couple of chilies. I have a habit of always doing this with my hands.
Don't do it with your hands, and then don't touch your eyes if you decide to do it with your hands,
and
which Jenny decides all the
in the
time.
next half an hour, at some stage, I will rub my eye. Okay. And it's ready. So we're gonna stick this in for about 10 minutes. We're going to check after 5 because there's not a lot of things that need to be heavily cooked in there.
What happened, Jenny?
Ow!
Jenny, what happened?
Rub my eye.
Why does it hurt though?
Oh, because it's got chili in it.
Oh, so you touched the chili with your fingers and you touched your eye.
Ow!
Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes in the oven and should be about perfect. There you have it, boys and girls. There you go. Here we are, the first piece of the zip pizza. It's like a bit of thin crust effort.
So good.
Alright guys, so it was a success. The pizza is freaking delicious.
And spicy.
Yeah.
So guys, stay tuned to Channel M for more great videos like this. See you next time.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.